Hey, do you want to learn how to make a subscribe intro for YouTube in Filmora X, just like the one you're watching right now? Then stay with me. I'll show you how. Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we need three things in order to pull this off. So we need a video, a PNG image of a subscribe button page of your channel, and a green screen subscribe animation. So let's get started. Let's drag then the video and expand it. Then drag then the subscribe page image and drop it on the next track on the timeline. Now leave a space of 1 second in the beginning and expand it to the same length of the video. Now let's go through and see what we have. This is what we have. So let's start animation. Let's add keyframe to the beginning of the image. Double click on the image and go to animation and click on customize and add a keyframe. Move it forward 1 second and add another keyframe. Then double click on the first keyframe and click on the image. Now let's resize the image, expand the image to open up. Expand it to get out of the frame. Alright, click on the video and add a keyframe just beneath the first keyframe and the second keyframe. Double click on the video and resize the video. Drag it from the side and resize it to fit the transparent part of the image. Now let's check out what we've done so far. This is what we have done. Alright, the next thing we need to do, move the playhead forward, maybe toward the middle or toward the end. Then let's add another keyframe to the image and another keyframe to the video, and let's move it 1 second ahead and do the same thing. A keyframe to the image and add a keyframe to also the video. Now click on the image and expand the image. Expand the image to get out of the frame. Expand it and position it something like that. So now move the playhead to the front a little bit and turn the opacity to 0. And now double click on the last keyframe on the video and restore the video to full screen. And so far, let's see what we have. Yeah, something like that. So now we're done with our keyframing. the next thing we need to do is to add our green subscribe button. So go to the end of the second keyframe and let's bring down our subscribe green button and drop it on it. Now let's remove the green screen. Double click on the green screen, click that icon and go to green screen chroma key. Click on the picker tool and click on the screen, and we've gotten rid of it. Now let's resize it and position it in the right place. So you go to transform, resize it, and let's drag it to this particular position and let's position it there. You can use your 4 arrow keys on your keyboard to get the right position. Alright, when we're done with that, the green screen, this is what we have. Alright, now let's go to this particular keyframe and split the green screen right there and delete the other part we don't want. And by so doing, this is what we have. Isn't it interesting? Well, we're done with our subscribe intro. The next thing you need to do is to export it, and this is what we have. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.